Hello friends, today I am going to show you best bookmark manager software. Its name is Pabbly. I already have created my account, but if you want to create your new account you can visit pabbly.com and register with your username and password. I am going to log in with my credentials now. I am logged into my account. So if you can see, a dashboard is already available. There are two concepts in Pabbly you need to focus on. One is creating board and the other is creating categories, and then as many as bookmarks you want to add you can add under the categories and your board, and you can utilize it on cloud wherever you want, whenever you want. Now I am going to show you how to create new board. You just need to create add button and the name the board which you want to add. I have named it research and the board will be added now. The new board is created. There are few options already available. When you add a new board, you can import bookmarks from your browser. You can select from popular categories available online, and also you can add your new category from create category. I am adding new category. You can add your note as well, and you can select color for your category and then add. So my new category is created. Now if you want to add any URL or bookmark under that category, you just need to click on this link, add new bookmark, and paste your URL here. It will directly fetch description from the URL which you have entered. If it's not valid, it will not fetch the description and you are not able to add the bookmark. But if it's available online and it's available on a domain and URL, it will fetch the description. You can modify the description and add it as well. So bookmark is saved. It's very simple. Similarly, you can add as many category as you want. Also you can add bookmarks to that category as well. You can also add co-owner, which will be said by an email. So you can invite your friends or family members to use your bookmarks from sending invitation from this, and then after invitation is accepted they can utilize your bookmarks, use your bookmarks and use your accounts as well. That is the thing for boards, categories and bookmarks. Now I am going to show you few of the interesting features which are already available. One is speed dial. This is for quickly accessing the links for social media and anything. There is specifically social media link is also available. So social bookmarks if you want to add, and if you want to start connecting like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, you can directly start from here. The best feature which I like is explore. You can explore bookmarks which are added by different users. You can explore different categories and different URLs added by different users on a public. So this is the best feature which I find and utilizing it on a day-to-day basis. So I hope you like my video regarding this bookmark manager, and I will try to add few of the more tips and tricks video from now.